I really love the way everybody's come together throughout the world for this High Talents and Entrepreneurship competition being held in the final in Jinan in July. What we're seeing this year is a very big step up in talent and in the ideas of the startups or the innovators that are coming to pitch to us.
So I think the pitch is really good. The quantity is challenging, particularly when the Asian habit is to have longer pitches, but they've been very high quality and some really interesting ideas. We've yet to see the health guys, but I think they might be next.
What it does is it enables the people who have great ideas and are starting to exploit them to ensure that they get full value for the work that they do. And it aids in the commercialisation of these products.
Yeah, it's been a very good day, you know, and I learned a lot about, you know, technologies that I hadn't heard about before. It's done very professionally, very organized, and I really enjoy the whole process. Basically, we can take someone's saliva sample and we can tell their risk for developing future diseases like having a heart attack or developing melanoma or even dying from melanoma. And we can do all these things better than the gold standard clinical tests that are currently being used. It's amazing.
I'm slightly biased because I'm in the biomedical area. So I think the biomedical area is really booming in Jinan. Given that there's a 国际医疗中心 International Healthcare Center building in Jinan. So I think those projects would have really great potential